Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm back with another content on how to mute and unmute group messages on Instagram. If you're a member of a group and you are constantly receiving group messages, but at the moment you don't want to be disturbed by those messages, then you can simply mute the group messages on Instagram. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to mute a group conversation on Instagram, tap Open your Instagram application. Now, sign into your account if necessary, and once you are in your home page, tap on the chat icon in the top right corner. Now open up a group conversation that you'd like to mute, and once you are in, tap on the name list at the top of the screen. At the very top, you'll be able to see that there is a button that says Mute Messages. Simply enable the button right next to it, and now you won't be receiving any notifications if anyone sends a text message in a particular group. If you've changed your mind and you'd like to unmute a particular group conversation on Instagram, then you can simply come to this same conversation page of Instagram and tap on the group that you'd like to unmute, select the names of the group members at the top of the screen, and right where it says Mute Messages, disable the button. Now once you do that, you'll be able to mute and unmute a conversation on a group message on Instagram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.